Come for a spot of golf. Anyone want to come play mini golf with us? We're doing 18 holes. I reckon I might win out of this one. Oh, look, there's even golf balls in here. Hey, Andrew. Oh, it's a colourway.
That's it, nice.
Players playing on this course do so at their own risk. You don't say? What makes you say that, eh? Wow. Oh, what is this? I just saw that in the bush. Bank of Archie Brothers. You're gonna have to have a look at that. That's different. Another golf ball. Another golf ball. We'll go back this way. I don't want to go out in the open and let people see too much of us. This is definitely well and truly overgrown. It's pretty trashed out. So they must have just decided just to shut it for good, maybe. Won't get enough business because where we are, there's only another golf course just down the road. Mini golf. It's not even 10 minutes away. It's been abandoned for a long time. You look at it. I reckon this could be an interesting course to play though. It'll be a challenge in itself. Oh, so there's two different courses. So this is one side and then that's the other side. All right, we want the other side because the other side looks better. No, let's go have a look at the other side. Hole 18, there you go. So this is 18 here. And then I'm guessing we go around this side of the wall and we start at hole 1 for the other side. So there's two different courses. The fun run. Look at the mould, like that's meant to be green. Look how far down that has gone. I'm actually scraping it off and you can see the green actual fill. Oh, it feels so weird on the foot. Hole 2. How does this one work? I had the drop hole. Yeah, 3 or 2, so yeah, okay. Come out down. Must be 3. Who knows where it started? It's not a very good golf course actually, is it? It's pretty small. Tell you, that bit there would ship me with a hump. I'd be stuck on that all the time. What are you up to? Hole 5? 4 or 5? 6? 7? Yeah, it's pretty average. Like, what am I even wanting to look at here? Oh, maybe there's 3. I think there might be 3 courses. So this one's pretty average too. There's another one over here. I think that's the one we want to go have a look at. Alright, I'll head over there. Let's go have a look at the third one. I still can't get over the moss growing on the greens. Ah, okay. Here's the fun part. Interesting. So maybe it was unsafe. Well, it definitely doesn't look safe anymore, does it? Yeah, but like, where is it going? Like, half of it's all buried. Ugh.
Careful,
No, I'm not worried about snakes at this time of year. They're in highway, mate. Now, I'm going to walk on here. I don't know. I know it's this way.
Well, you reckon Andrew's good, doesn't he?
Oh, for sure. I don't think it'd go very deep though. Oh, so what would have this been? Maybe it had a pump that sucked the balls up and threw it or something. Or it was just for looks. Look at the sign. That's actually pretty cool. So can you go around here or is that it? Oh, you're just out in them. There's cows straight across the road. Oh, I'm going to walk on another bit of the bridge. It's pretty solid actually. It had a filter pump set up. Come around. This joint is derelict as. Oh, this is going to. Oh no, it's got a bit of grip. Right, I'll attempt to walk through this bit now. Wish me luck. So this is meant to be the entrance into the other hole. Through here. Now, is this... I'm coming through it. I got it. I did it. Yeah. Don't know how you get back out in there. As I go around this shit. Ooh. So what, is it meant to be a walking path up through here? Is there? No idea. I'll walk around it because it's much easier. That is a pretty cool spot shot. I like that. What's this, the start line? Can't even read it. Ah, water course. What a waste of money. But that's our world these days, isn't it? Throwaway society. Oh, COVID probably wouldn't have helped. I know COVID hasn't helped a lot. Oh, it's this little sitting area. Oh, okay. Probably looks like we're getting inside. All the glass is smashed. Yes, people had to destroy the speakers. Can't leave shit alone, gotta wreck stuff. Oh, looks like toilets, that was all on both sides. This probably would have just been a kiosk and where you buy your bottles and stuff. Well, I think there's a whole lot more to look at. Take a couple of photos of the golf ball, I like that. That's not a bad shot. Right, see you on the next explore.